Good morning. I wanted to bring you a little encouragement word this morning on our cold, potentially snowy spring day. Think back to the last time you tried something new, whether it was picking up a new sport, learning to ride a bike, picking up a new instrument, a new hobby, that time you decided to take dance lessons. Were you an expert when you first started? Did you just walk into that dance hall having never danced before and just pick it up, never step on your spouse's shoes, never trip, never fall, never get off beat, never fall down? Probably not. Think about, I know I tried running in high school. I aspire to try again, but I'm not quite there yet. And when I first started, I couldn't even run. I could walk fast, jog, run. But there are bumps along the way. I didn't start as an expert. I had to learn. I had to learn from my mistakes and then keep going. I don't know why you would think your personal keto weight loss growth journey will be any different. Nobody goes into a brand new life path, change, lifestyle, getting it perfect from the onset. Nobody goes into this knowing everything, doing everything, and staying on track and mastering it. It takes practice, and that's normal. So I want you to know that. And as you go through this and you have setbacks, you have frustrations, you have trips and falls, you eat something that had a bunch of carbs, you didn't know it, you're feeling terrible, so you emotionally eat, maybe not all keto food. You know what? That's normal. Just keep it up. Keep up the hard work. I believe in you. The success in this journey is that you're on the journey. Maybe this week you gained 2 pounds. That's okay. You're on this journey. And as that happens, you can understand, you know what? Weight does this. We talked about that before. It's a roller coaster. Maybe I'm gaining muscle. Maybe I am eating too many carbs. Maybe I'm eating too much protein. Is there hidden sugars in something somewhere? Maybe I'm gaining muscle. Did I say maybe I'm gaining muscle? Look at other things. You can get test strips to see if you're passing ketones. How do your clothes fit? How do you look? Look at this face. This face looks so much better than it did 6 months ago. So if I'm at 157 today, but I was at 155 yesterday, tomorrow I might be at 154. Who knows? That number goes up and down. Do not let your weight be your only measure of success. You are on the journey. You are learning, you are growing, you are developing a skill that you will eventually master. But how long does it take you to master it? How long until you can go into a ballroom dancing competition? Certainly not overnight. So keep up the good work. Know the fact that you're here. Consider this practice. You're preparing. It's a journey. And every day that you choose to stay on that journey is a success. Believe in yourself. I believe in you. So have a good morning, bundle up, and I will talk to you later.